and causes an accident. This vehicle makes sudden maneuvers at high speed and loses control. Careless driver suddenly jumps onto the road.
Oh my god. You fucking idiot.
I really don't know what to say. An interesting accident.
Shit, stop! Oh, Jesus, Sam, are you okay? Holy fuck. Yeah.
Two vehicles try to overtake at the same time and an accident occurs. Wait for the light to come on. The vehicle slipped on the snowy road and passed into the opposite lane. Yet another similar slippery road accident. You see idiots like this hit them in the back.
Oh, damn.
I think the driver got mad at the blue truck and forgot to look at the road.
Fucking dumbass!
Driver who does not look in the mirror causes an accident. Another similar accident is an example of a pit maneuver. Accident is inevitable when there are two impatient and ambitious drivers. Sudden maneuvers at high speed can cause an accident. Deer attacking vehicle on road.
Or fight?
Right.
You want to go, bud?
Yeah, there you go.
How the driver managed to fly down. The Jeep suddenly comes out in front of the truck. Another idiot in another truck. It is really impossible to understand some drivers. Pickup flees after road rage wreck.
Holy shit! Oh my god.
The careless driver does not even apply the brakes. Driver gets out of control on slippery road. The vehicle skidded on the slippery road and knocked over a large tree. Accident said I'm coming.
Nah. Whoa! You go! You go!
You should have looked in the mirror on your way back. The truck suddenly jumps onto the road and an accident is inevitable. Another vehicle that lost control on a slippery road. Driver suddenly jumps onto the road and crashes. Overtaking on a snowy road was not a good idea. The level of idiocy by those red light runners is astounding. Another red light runner. I have trouble understanding Jeep driver. One of the scariest accidents. The driver who stops at the green light is punished. Accelerating vehicle gets out of control on slippery road. Another bad accident on a snowy and slippery road. The driver who survived the accident with a maneuver at the last moment.
Available options are track 1 to
Kidding
250.
me?
Next track.
Are you kidding?
List.
I think the driver who crashed was drunk. Truck off the road somersaults disastrously.